So you've probably heard a lot about ways to make money online, right? Some people talk about drop shipping, some people talk about freelancing, but what if I told you there was one way that could change everything for you? Digital marketing. If you're looking for a way to earn money online that isn't complicated and needs little to no experience, digital marketing may just be what you are looking for. Curious? Keep watching to find out why. In this video, I'm going to break down why digital marketing is an awesome and easy way to make money online. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfy, and learn how you can get started in digital marketing. Reason number one, low startup cost and flexibility. Unlike other business ventures like launching a product or starting an actual store, digital marketing doesn't take much money to get started. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on inventory or a physical location. What's great is you can get started with just a laptop, internet, and some free resources like YouTube tutorials. Basically, you're in business with very little financial risk. One of the best things about digital marketing is you can work from virtually anywhere. Seriously, I've done it from my couch, I've done it from the beach, from my car, from my kids' lacrosse game. You can do this anywhere. All you need is your laptop and some internet. So if you've been dreaming about working from home or being able to earn money while you travel, digital marketing is perfect for that. You're in control of your hours. Want to work late nights or early mornings? It's completely flexible and up to you when you work. And this is a perfect way to get started. If this is your backup plan, fits around your 9 to 5 so easily. Digital marketing is super flexible, and that is huge if you are trying to balance work, school, or family as well. Reason number two, you can start with no experience. Let's talk about how easy it is to start digital marketing, even if you've never done anything like this before. The best part is you don't need to be an expert to get started. There are so many free resources out there to help you get started, from YouTube tutorials to free courses. You can learn the basics of digital marketing, things like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing, all without spending a dime. And you don't have to be tech savvy to succeed. There are so many simple tools out there that make digital marketing a breeze. Platforms like Canva for design, MailChimp for email marketing, and social media tools like Buffer to help with scheduling. These all make it easy for anyone to get started. You don't have to be a web designer or programmer. Unlike other businesses where you need to manage inventory, fulfillment, and all the behind-the-scenes stress, digital marketing is so much simpler. You're promoting products, services, or content, so you don't need to worry about stocking up or shipping anything. It's all digital, so the hard work is mainly learning the strategies that work. Reason number three, it's scalable and has passive income potential. Now here's where digital marketing really shines. It has scalable income potential, and you can earn passive income. One of the coolest things about digital marketing is the passive income potential. Once you set up your system, whether it's an email funnel, social media ads, or content marketing, you can keep earning even while you sleep. After some hard work up front, things can run on autopilot for you. This means you can earn money without being tied to your computer 24/7. Digital marketing is super scalable. The more you learn and apply, the more you can earn. You can start small, maybe just promoting one product, but then as you learn, you can add another product or products in, which is increasing your earnings. Plus, you can eventually work with multiple clients or brands. Digital marketing is a great way to promote long-term income streams. For example, affiliate marketing, that's where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission. You keep earning that even after the initial work is done. This kind of long-term income is a dream for anyone who is looking for that financial freedom. So there you have it. Digital marketing is a low-cost, flexible, and scalable way to earn money online, even if you have no experience. If you're looking for a side hustle that can fit around your busy schedule and be done from anywhere, digital marketing may be exactly what you are looking for. Plus, you could start earning today with all of the free resources that are available to you. If you are ready to dive in and learn more about how to get started, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments or go to my website, which is in the first comment or in the description. I actually used a done-for-you program that helped me get started and taught me everything I know and is still teaching me new tips and tricks today. I'd love to chat more about that with you if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All you need to do is take that first scary step, and then you could be on your way to financial freedom too. If you wait for the perfect time, here's a spoiler alert, it's never going to happen. The best time to start is right now.